In this video, we are going to learn that how we can solve addition of the larger numbers within 5 seconds, and for that you do not need to use copy and pen. And in your exam, it is going to save your time a lot. So see my video till the end of the video. Hello everyone, I am Naina. Welcome back to my channel Akshar, and I usually make videos related to Vedic Maths. So let's start our today's topic, which is how to do fast addition. Right, so I have made many videos for the multiplication. I have made around 11 to 12 videos for the multiplication short trick that if you will see those videos first, then you will be able to solve the multiplication method within few seconds. Right, so let us understand today how to do fast addition using Vedic Maths. Right, so by using Vedic Maths, there are 2-3 methods which we have to use, which we have to consider while using the addition. Right, so what we consider, let us suppose any number is given to us, so 8 or 9. Right, so the name of the first method is that completing the whole method, means we complete our number near to the nearest multiple of 10. So first motive is that we have to complete our any given number to the nearest multiple of 10. Okay, so first we decide that the given number is how much closer to the multiple of 10. So 8 is closer to 10. So let us suppose I say 64. 64 is closer to what? 64 is closer to 70. So after finding that our given number is closer to which multiple of 10, then we consider that how much it is nearer to our 10 by using the 10 point circle concept. Okay, so let us suppose this is our circle, and this is 1 and this is 9. So we know that 9 is closer to 10. Right, so we find out this value, that this value is 1, means how much it is closer to 10. Okay, and if I will use the value 8 and I will add 2 to 8, it will become 10. Right, why we are considering nearest to multiple of 10 only? Because it is very easier and we can solve those values by using mentally only. Right, so we do not need to use the copy and pen to solve those problems, because once 24 is converted to 30, then it is very easier to add it to any other value. Right, so next, the third concept, which is that below a multiple of 10. Right, so how much it is closer to our multiple and how much it is shorter to our multiple. Right, so this concept, these three concepts we are going to use to solve our addition method, addition of the numbers. Even if the numbers are very much large, you can solve them very easily. Right, so let us take our first example, 59 plus 4. So 59 is closer to, so our very first step is that we have to find out the number to multiple of 10 which is closer to our given number. So 59 is closer to what? 59 is closer to 60. So I have to make it 60. Right, so it is closer to 60, but how much it is lesser than 60? It is lesser than 60 by 1. Right, so what I will do, I will break this value 4 into two parts such that 1 plus 3 is also 4. So 59 plus 1 will become 60, and 60 plus 3 will become equal to 63. Right, this was the very simple and basic example to make you understand that how this method works. Right, so let's take some more typical questions. Let's take this second example, which is 29 plus 18 plus 3. So 29 is closer to which multiple of 10? It is closer to multiple of 10 by 30. And how much it is less? It is lesser by 1. Similarly, 18 is how much lesser than 20? Multiple of 10? It is lesser than by 2. So break down your 3 in two parts such that it will become 1 plus 2. Okay, so 29 plus 1 will be 30 and 18 plus 2 will be equal to 20. So 30 plus 20 will be equal to 50. Right, so remember that in your competitive exams all the calculations are like that. You can do them with the Vedic Maths. All the calculations are given to you are according to the logic that you can solve them within few seconds. Do not need to go with the complete solutions, right? Never ever you will get any calculation in which you have to follow the normal mathematical process, right? Let's moving on to the next concept, which is our 10-point circle, which I have told you that this is a circle, suppose, and in this circle this is point number 1. So adding 9 will give you 10. This is point 2 and adding 8 will give you 10. Okay, so what I am making that look for the numbers that makes a multiple of 10, right? Earlier we were breaking our given number in the parts so that we can add it and it will become 10, multiple of 10. But now you can see that directly if there are any numbers which are making multiple of 10, right? Directly they are making. 7 plus 3 will be give me 10. 6 plus 4 will also give me 10. So 10 plus 10 will be equal to 20. So the difference is that in this method I was not having direct multiple. I have to break my given number so that I can have nearest multiple of 10. But sometimes you will be having some numbers such that by looking only you can see that they are making a multiple of 10. So let's take another example, example number 4, right? So see, 24 is how much? 24 is nearer to which multiple of 10? Nearer to multiple of 10 to 30. And 24 is how much lesser than 30? It is lesser than 30 by 6. Similarly, 106 is nearer to which multiple of 10? It is nearer to multiple of 10 by 100. And it is greater than 100 by 6. It is greater and it is less. This 500, it is nearer to 500 and multiple is, this is greater than 8, right? Next, this is nearer to multiple of 10 and it is also greater than 10 by 2. Okay, so break down your values. 100 plus 6 plus 500 plus 8 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, so it will become 30 plus 100 plus 500 plus, you can see directly then it is making a multiple of 10. So 8 plus 10 will be 10 and 10 plus 10 will be 20. So what it will give you? 500 plus 100 will be 600. 630 plus 20, it will give you 650. Okay, so in your exam when you will do practice using this method, then you do not need to write down these steps. Without writing even these steps, by seeing only you will be able to see, okay, this is 24 plus 106 plus 508 plus 12, right? You will be easily able to see that this is 2 and this will give you 8. 2 plus 8 will be 10 and 10 plus 10 will be 20. Okay, and 20 plus 500, from these two equations what you have got? 520, and this 6 is extra and this is lesser than 30 by 6. So 24 plus 6 will give you 30 and 30 plus 100 will give you 130 and 130 plus 520 will give you 650. So as much practice you are going to do about these questions, you will be able to solve these questions by mentally only. Okay, till now in the mathematics what we have learned that we usually do addition from right to left hand side, right? That's how we do. 5 plus 6 is 11, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 plus 2 is 7, right? But let's meet in the next video in which you can solve the addition by using from left to right. Instead of doing the addition from right to left, you will be able to do addition from left to right by using the concept of Vedic maths. And by that method you will be able to solve the addition method by mentally only. You do not need to have any paper or pen. If you find my video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to solve how to do addition from left to right. So if you have any topic related to Vedic math, so please add your comments in the comment box so that I related to your topic and your queries. Till then, take care and bye bye.